Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have auto watermark. So you can switch this feature like this, and now let's try this feature out by taking any photo. And here you can see INFINIX Hot 11S watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.